Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am doing some Dollar Tree fall shopping and some fall DIYs. Lots of new and returning items at the Dollar Tree for fall and Halloween this year. My personal favorite is this purple oven mitt and pot holder, even though I absolutely love the pumpkin one next to it. Halloween plates and things, some over-the-door wreath hangers, wooden craft kits. I did DIY with those last year. Some larger wood cutouts, mini paint kits, pipe cleaners, bones, fall painting kits, wood cutouts. New this year are the burlap leaves. They look great on a DIY wreath. Love the different shades of corn. I think they were still filling up these end shelves, and so this was why this one looks so bare, but I love these Halloween potion bottles. In the Dollar Tree Plus section, there is some awesome table decor. I absolutely love this pumpkin one for $5. I'll show a DIY with it at the end. I also did a DIY with the fall tray, and I absolutely love Dollar Tree Plus section's fall and Halloween decor this year. These pieces are great as is, no need to DIY with them unless you want to. There's assorted tablecloths, entrance rugs, various soft pumpkins, some Halloween outdoor decor. I think these are throw rugs. Love the Halloween signs and the entrance mats. Some table decor. And $5 wreaths, no need to DIY. Decorative Halloween tray, these awesome skeleton lights, more Halloween decor. Really cool drink dispensers, I love the cauldron one. These beautiful already decorated Halloween pumpkins. And what I also found new this year are these really neat containers. They're flexible, even though this one has what seems like some maybe bamboo sticks in them. And here are some Dollar Tree DIYs that I made. I did 3 different versions of DIY fall pumpkin centerpieces. Let me know which of these 3 are your favorite. The first, the second, or the third. The third one is just the second one put inside the case I had created originally from a while ago. I think the third is my favorite. And last but not least, here's a super easy and quick DIY. I picked up this tray from the Dollar Tree Plus section and my favorite peel and stick wallpaper from Dollar Tree. It's a little bit longer than the tray, but I simply used my nail and just ran it along the gaps and the tail end of the wallpaper. Then I cut out the panel with the creases. Then I peeled and stuck the panel onto each section, doing just one section at a time. And then peeling and sticking onto the sections, making sure that they are aligned with the original gaps and are nice and centered. This was less than $7 to make, with about 5 minutes to complete the project. Once that's done, you can use it year-round and place it where you see fit. I put mine on top of my DIY elevated nightstand with matching drawers. I really love how this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.